Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Atia Citrarini, and here I'd like to explain my answer of practice of translation in this midterm test. Okay, let's begin with table number 1, problematic sentence. I chose masalahnya terus membesar seperti bola salju. I think this is above word level equivalence. Why? Because according to Muna Baker, above word level equivalence means the translation at the level of phrases or expression, not single word. If we translated this sentence word by word, it would sound unnatural or strange in English. So I think we need to find an expression that gives the same meaning. The meaning of this context is the problems keep getting bigger and bigger. So I translate it as the problems keep growing like a snowball. Why I use like a snowball? I used like a snowball because it is an English idiom. It also means that something keep getting bigger or larger over time, just like Indonesian idioms. So I think like a snowball and seperti bola salju in English or Indonesian have the same have the same meaning, like have the same expression. Okay, next the table number 2 I chose, tetapi masih ada juga guru yang bersikap yang penting mengajar urusan lain belakangan. At first I confused about this sentence. So but later I assume this also above word level equivalence. Why? Because word level equivalence also happens when a phrase or expression in one language has to be translated as a whole unit to make it make sense. So I realized that I cannot translate this word word by word. It will sound unnatural and strange. The meaning of this sentence is some teachers only care about teaching and ignore other duties. So I try to translate it this word as yet there are still teachers who act as if teaching is the only thing that matters and everything else comes later. Okay, the last one, number 3. I chose ketinggalan kereta. I choose problematic sentence, ketinggalan kereta. I think this is also above word level of equivalence, because according to Muna Baker, above word level of equivalence also includes an idiom that cannot be translated word by word. So I cannot translate this sentence, ketinggalan kereta, to literal meaning. Why? Because if I translate this sentence from literal meaning, this literally meaning is to miss the train, but the real meaning is left behind, like left behind by others because not changing, not to miss the train. Yeah, so I try to translate it as left behind will be they will be left behind. I use left behind because it expresses the same meaning in a natural English way. This shows equivalence at phrase level, not a single word level. I think that's all from me. Thank you.